In many parts of the modern world, energy comes from gas pipelines and electric wires. But in rural villages, life follows a different rhythm, one shaped by nature, tradition, and simplicity. Today, you are watching a process that has existed for generations. This is the journey from cow dung to fuel cakes used for cooking and heating, known locally as gohas. What you see here is not waste. For villagers, animal dung is a valuable natural resource. Fresh cow dung is carefully collected and mixed by hand. Sometimes straw or dry grass is added to improve texture and burning quality. This mixture is shaped into flat round cakes and gently placed on walls or open ground under the sun. The sunlight does the rest. Day after day, the cakes slowly dry, turning firm and lightweight. Once dry, they become clean-burning fuel, ready to be used in traditional clay stoves. For many families, these fuel cakes are essential for daily cooking. They boil milk, bake bread, heat water in winter mornings. There is no factory here, no machines, only human hands, animals, earth, and sunshine. This simple cycle reflects a sustainable way of living. Nothing is wasted. Animals provide milk. Their dung returns to serve the household, either as fuel or fertilizer for crops. Ash from the fire later goes back to the fields. It is a natural circle that has kept villages running for centuries. For people unfamiliar with rural life, this may seem surprising. But here it represents self-reliance. It shows how communities adapt using what nature offers them. No pollution from chemicals, no dependence on distant supply chains, just skills passed from elders to younger generations. While city life moves fast, village life teaches patience. Every action has purpose, every resource is respected. Through videos like this, we share real village routines, not staged, not filtered, but honest moments from everyday life. If you are watching from another country, take a moment to appreciate this traditional method. It reminds us that simple solutions can still power homes, warm families, and sustain lives. This is not poverty. This is heritage. This is survival through wisdom. This is village life.